Yung kay Imenande Lowland Production na studio the wari kay before. Kay ba korai makuria obite, korai obite. Old school. Yan kunaw to one. Kan kunaw ay ga, wala na beat ay. Yeah. Yeah. Wara ka mora di pizza ka mew ka mak.
Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call.
Yo, it's another morning on the lowlands beach. Purple clouds around me, it's like I'm in a dream. Waking up to the sound of birds singing on trees. That smell of birdwood is an island morning breeze. Young men climbing their coconut trees, while the girls sitting down staring coconut cream. What else it's gonna be? It's an island morning tea with some smoked fish and some fruit from a papaya tree. Kids playing around singing come to melody, circling and clapping, no tapping on trees, making toy guns with weapons from a dead tree, wearing flip-flops with two tops of Bob Marley. That's how we roll, but before you explode, make sure you save all your compliments. For a day is not enough for this environment. It may be your first visit, but you will come again, yeah.
Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call.
Lot of cool places to attract you. The north and the southern islands so attractive. Look at how active them social gatherings. The locals, they greet you with a smile on their faces. We're just a group of islands stripped across the equator, inhabited with humble and zero troublemakers. Hospitality in every communities. Being the cast is an opportunity. Witness the sunset and every sunrise. Cool fact, you be the first to greet the sunrise. We're the first on the club to greet the new day. We're the people of the sea, we face the every high tide. Where you bet somewhere by 7, 8, 9. Cause we're about to take a trip offshore to the sea, with dolphins and flying fish will be in company as we trip across the sea to another reef, yeah.
Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call.
Nakume, get lost in paradise. Clear blue skies, birds flying high, white sandy beaches, I can see them from a distance. Crystal lagoons, so hard to resist them. Look at all them girls swaying hips to the clapping. Look at how they make the dancing skirt go flapping. Look at how they sing that old song and make it jamming. Now one man do a chanting, make you wanna scream like, what's for lunch, man? We got lobsters and crab meat, land crabs and seaweed with a kitty local soda. Alcohol when it gets older, make it better, make it colder. It's a local experience, call it a Maori experience. Nighttime we can enjoy the cool breeze on seawalls. It's nothing but peace we feel as we talk. Say goodnight to the crew for the day, for the cruise. Next day we go scuba diving, ooh, so cool.
Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call Nagume, that's how we call Nagume, you to explore Nagume, yeah, come and see the beauty, enjoy the sunset and make that call.